It is very important that at V-ZUG we use hand-made control processes to ensure the quality for the end user. The test process involves one-to-one testing of each individual machine. So it means that each machine which leaves V-ZUG is tested by having been in usage. So each machine, for example a washing machine, is going through all programs before it goes out to the market. This individual testing of each machine involves a huge cost for V-ZUG due to the fact that we go through every individual machine. But we have to, because the end user have to be able to rely on V-ZUG that each individual machine is 100% working when it's in use.